How to create a fade out effect in Capcut Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Capcut application on your device and select a project. Now, as you can see on the screen, I've already selected a project. Now, in order to create a fade out effect over here, simply select auto position on the project over here in order to create a fade out effect. So let's just drag the project over here and let it just select and send it to the position where you'd want to create a fade out effect. So let me just go back. So let's just add the video over here. It's not responding for now, so let's just go and launch the Capcut application again, and we can simply tap on the new project option that pops up on the screen as we tap on the Capcut application. So let's tap on new project and select a new project over here. So here you can simply make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. Now let's select on a particular video or the project, then tap on add, and as we do that, you can simply drag the video to the position where you'd want to add the fade out effect. Then tap on the effects option at the bottom of the screen. Now select on video effects and then simply search for fade out, or here you can simply search for fade out and you can simply see the option of fade out over here. So tap on it and you can simply adjust the option. You can adjust the speed of it, and then you can just go back and drag the duration of fade out effect as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.